Welcome back everyone. In this video I'll show you how to turn on the torch on your Samsung S22, S22 Plus and S22 Ultra. Torch feature is really useful on a phone as it can help you navigate through dark alleys or look for items in your room when it's dark. The flash on your phone turns into a torch which gives you continuous light. To enable the torch on your S22, swipe down and bring the notification menu. Then swipe down again to bring the quick menu. From this menu, tap on the torch icon to switch the torch on. The torch will then switch on. To switch the torch off, tap on it again and it'll switch off. Now to customize the brightness of the torch, long press on the torch icon and you'll come to this menu. From here you can customize the brightness with 5 levels. Level 1 is the lowest setting, while level 5 is the brightest setting. Press down once you have completed the settings. And that is how to turn on your torch on your Samsung S22, S22 Plus and S22 Ultra. If you have made it to the end of this video, then please hit the like button and most importantly, please consider subscribing to this channel for more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.